A number of home buyers in China have stopped their mortgage payments on properties where construction has been suspended for a prolonged period. Fitch expects the local authorities to intervene to contain mortgage defaults. More widespread defaults could increase the risk around social and systematic stability. Failure to restore homebuyer confidence could test the banking system's resilience and highlight liquidity pressure at developers. The mortgage boycott is not driven by a deterioration in household debt serviceability in Fitch's view. The developments are more driven by prolonged and widespread distress within the property development sector. Household leverage in China stood at 62% of GDP and 112% of household disposable income at the end of 2021. This is modest by global standards, although a recent rapid increase in debt may have stretched the balance sheet for certain population segments in less developed regions. Most Fitch-rated Chinese banks have limited direct exposure to the affected mortgage. In most cases, the disclosed amount of affected mortgage are less than 0.01% of their mortgage loans. However, should mortgage defaults escalate, there could be broad and serious economic and social implications, as mortgage debt makes up around 60% of household debt in China. Smaller and regional banks who have a large and concentrated exposure to distressed developers are likely to be the most vulnerable. Fitch's base case assumes a 25 to 30% of property sales decline in 2022, followed by a low single-digit growth in 2023. A delay in the recovery of property sales would further strain financing for developers and drag on their loan quality. Fitch's ratings on Chinese banks are driven by the agency's expectations of government support, and the recent developments have no direct impact on our assessment of the government's propensity to support banks. However, there could be downside risk to the bank's intrinsic credit profiles, hence their viability ratings, if policy intervention does not contain further property defaults.